The Mark 7 Golf GTI, the roots of all modern hot hatches can be traced back to the Golf GTIs. Often overlooked these days because of the Golf R. However, this is a pure performance model in its own right. With the DMS upgrade pushing beyond the standard power of a Golf R and the reduced drivetrain friction of a two-wheel drive, it's a mega fast car now. We work on torque management in the first two gears to optimise traction to give you the best pull away. We can enhance the overrun sound at customer's request as well. We're able to remap the DSG as well, optimising the shift strategy and giving you the most positive shift possible. If this is something that interests you, get in touch with us through the usual channels. Message us on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp via the website, email, or even just give me a call.